Hello guys, today we are going to see the demonstration of a MBA project report in the topic a study on customer perception towards loan products offered by private banks in Chennai. The main aim of this project is what customers think towards the loan offers which was offered by private banks in and around Chennai. Private banks means we can know that the familiar private banks like HDFC, Axis. So these are all private banks. Private banks have a rate of interest figures differ from nationalized banks. So here we are going to discuss about the loan products with different percentage of interest rates offered by private banks in Chennai. So the project report starts with abstract. So the complete report will come around 66 pages. So start with abstract. Table of contents include the 5 regular chapters starting from introduction, literature review, methodology, data analysis and interpretation, and finally the conclusions. So this is the format of this project report. This is the list of tables and figures. So the chapter 1 starting with the research background. So the research background includes the loan process in bank, pre-qualification process, loan application processing, underwriting process, credit discussions, quality check, loan funding, and chapter 1.2 include the statement of problem. So here in the statement of problem we discussed about what are all the difficulties faced by the customer towards the loan in private sectors, and what is the need for study. So actually we are doing this project. What is the real need of this project for public? So this is a need for study, and the chapter 1.4 includes the objective and scopes. So the primary objective was the perception towards loan products offered by private banks in Chennai. The secondary objective includes the points mentioned here, deliverables, and chapter 2 start with the literature review. So the review of literature, research gap, methodology, type of projects, target respondents, and the flow diagram of this project. Assumptions, constraints and limitations will be there in the chapter 3.4. Chapter 3.5 sampling methods, data processing, tools for analysis. Here we used simple percentage analysis, chi-square test and correlation, and percentage analysis, charge, chi-square test, correlation. And chapter 4 include the data analysis and interpretation. Here the total sample taken was 130, and here the questionnaires based analysis was made. Actually we have set of questionnaires. So here in last page you can see. So these are all the questionnaires. So there are almost 20 plus questionnaires. 27 questionnaires are there. So a public survey has been made, and based upon the survey we are going to do this data analysis. So here the data analysis start with male and female respondents, and these are all some general questions. So here in this question we surveyed about the explanation on terms and conditions. So here the question was asked with the respondents whether the clear explanation on terms and conditions. For example, if you fail to pay the due on date, that this much of amount will be paid as late payment charges, like that. So all the events related to loan are explained detailed to the client or not. So this is the question asked to the respondents. So here 34 respondents strongly agree that all the terms and conditions has been explained, and 74% of people also agree that they explained all the terms and conditions. 11, 5, 6 are not agree with this terms and conditions. So most of the respondents are telling that the terms and conditions are detailedly explained before getting the loan. So like that, the tabular column has been made. So related to the tabular column, an interpretation has been made with a bar chart was given based upon the data analyzed. So same like this, all 27 questions were analyzed using this simple percentage analysis. And actually this sample rate can be varied. Some of the college requested to do more samples. For example, we used like 130 samples. Most of the college okay with 130, but some people will ask for 150 or 200, like that also we can able to change the values. And here the chapter 4.2, the chi-square analysis has been done. As per the formulation, all the data and values will be analyzed, and the chi-square interpretation was given at the result. And correlation analysis. So in the correlation analysis, the detailed analysis was done, the result was given in the interpretation. And in chapter 5, conclusions, the first is summary of findings, and suggestions and recommendations were given, and conclusion was given, and future enhancement. So what we can able to do in future was discussed in this final chapter. And as I told you already, there is a questionnaire of 27 simple questions. And here finally we have attached the list of reference books and reference journals and reference website which was referred to make up this project. So this is how the report has been organized, and the total pages of the report is come around 66 pages without index page. So if you required any support related to MBA projects or internship thesis, journal write-up or journal publication, you can contact our executives. Thanks for watching.